Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it. But overall, to summarize today in and of itself, this was a total gap and trap, to use trading jargon. What do I mean by gap and trap if you're new? Well, on Friday, the price closed right there. And then today, the price opened up right there, hence the gap up. However, after the gap up, and sure, the price didn't run up a little bit, but after that movement to the upside, some poor souls bought up there, and then after that, it was basically all the way down from that point forward. So looking at today in and of itself, yeah, there's no way around it. It was a gap and trap, but now things transition to the question, okay, well, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? And it may or may not. I don't know. I'm just saying that's definitely the question to be looking at. And that is also why down here at 22 cents is a very, very important level going forward. And real quick, what do I mean by a pump and dump? Well, a pump and dump is just essentially this. Price makes a huge move up and then goes right back to where it started. And that's why 22 cents is important, because to be fair, from the big picture, the price could come down to that area and then stabilize and then work its way back upwards. And at that point, you could not say that the price went back to where it started, because that would in fact give you a set of lows there. That would give you those lows down there. If you envision those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. The price is making progress in the upwards direction. On the flip side of things, though, if the price does go down to that area and then just continues on down, well, then from a literal point of view, you would have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of, which would put it, at pump and dump status, where the price made a great move up and then all of a sudden is right back to where it began. So 22 cents, very, very important level going forward. So once more, summarizing today in and of itself, just 1 day, a gap and trap. But looking at multiple days, looking at more than just 1 day, the price does still have the opportunity to build a higher base and stay up above 22 cents. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.